Enabling Face ID for private browsing in Safari on your iPhone. 16 adds an extra layer of security to protect your private browsing sessions from unauthorized access. Here's how to set this feature up on the new iPhone. To begin, go to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the current display. From the home screen, tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the bottom section and then tap on Apps. From the list of apps, locate Safari and then tap on it. Once you're in the Safari app settings, scroll towards the Privacy and Security section and find the option to require Face ID to unlock private browsing. Once found, tap the toggle switch next to it to turn the feature on or off. When enabled, Face ID authentication will be required before accessing private browsing tabs in Safari. This adds an extra layer of security as it ensures that only you can access your browsing history and data when using private browsing mode. If you don't find the need to use this feature, then all you have to do is return to the Safari settings and then disable the option. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more relevant smartphone videos.